This is for shabu shabu broth. I already put some garlic in there, and this is a radish. I'm gonna put some this big. That onion, this big. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then I had remember the green onion roots. I save it right there. With shiitake mushroom stem, some camp, and anchovy, and then a little bit of hondashi. I'll do it later. But I'll boil this about boiling, and then lower the medium about 30 minutes. After boiling, I'll do 30 minutes more. Okay? So that's the broth form. Hi! We're gonna make shabu shabu, right?
Okay.
So most of them looks good, but some of them we have to same thing over and over, right? And cut half. Okay, before that I'm gonna show you Chinese cabbage, corn, and zucchini. What do you call this?
Is that bok choy?
Yeah, bok choy kind. And then
You
this
don't
is
know
a
exactly.
beans, 청경채 by Korean.
I don't know.
So okay, and then this is mung bean sprout, and that is green onion, big green onion, and this is the shaved steak, beef shaved steak, and some the pepper. They call this oyster mushroom or something. Anyway, these are all mushroom. Okay, so for this, cut this again. Yeah, we have to do this one. Okay. Then he's gonna chop, 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 chop. Oops. And I already cut like this for the, like this. Looks good. I made a mushroom. And because we like to
Both
have,
onions?
yes, we like to have a really spicy one. So we'll have some. Here we go. Guinea, I'm gonna have half. And just and keep cutting this part. I'm gonna have tofu ready. Okay, we're gonna put really making a big kind of decoration. Okay. So you wanna try that? Decorate mushroom and some bok choy here. Okay. And some corn. And then we're gonna make a sauce, right? So for the sauce, after we have this all broth, I show you this broth. You see the broth? You can see this. We have. Can you put 2 cups of broth here? Just try not to put anything else, but just broth. And then I'm gonna add. It's a half cup, right? Soy sauce. And then, how about, can you do this like a 3 tablespoons of sugar? That's a tablespoon of sugar.
And?
Yep. Three?
3,000. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Can you mix it for me? I'll cut this part. This is the shaved steak part. I'm gonna mix with this. Mix it. And then let it go. Stay a little bit you know, 20, 30 minutes, like this. I don't put it here because of alpha, right? And then I'll put it this later. So when you eat, we dump this broth here and boil it, and we put this one too. And then you add some of this sauce to make it a little pseudo and, you know, things like that. So later we'll do that. Okay, this is the part. Okay? Okay, this shabu shabu is ready. I add some buttercorn zucchini stuff too. So this is for the vegetarian. This has a lot of meat in it. So I just made it. So we're gonna taste this today. Okay? All right. Thank you.